Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. So if you're in Canva guys, you have any design that you have and want to remove the background, this is how you do it. Click on the image and you will immediately see some options at the top. Click on remove. Keep in mind that you need to have the Canva Pro, but once you have that, just simply click remove BG and that's going to remove the background for you. Any image that you have, I'm going to show you another example as well. You can easily do that. So let's take something that I can easily choose to remove the background so that you can see. I'm going to choose, for example, Obama right here. Click on that. And again, you just need to click and remove PG. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to remove background in Canva. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.